Over 3 million vehicles have passed through Croatia's Pelješac Bridge since it opened to traffic on July 26 last year. The bridge is the largest infrastructure project in the country undertaken by a Chinese consortium.
I'm proud to announce that on September 12th we had third millionth vehicle, which means that we are now past 3 million vehicles since we started to use the Pelješac Bridge, which was last year at the end of July. So in about a year we have more than 3 million vehicles. Daily average is about 7,000 vehicles.
The 2.4-kilometer cable-stayed bridge connects Croatian mainland and the Pelješac Peninsula, greatly facilitating mobility of people and goods.
Southern part of Croatia is now easier to access, and we have a lot more tourists coming to those parts of Croatia by cars, because those destinations were more used by tourists by airplanes and air travel. We have a lot of heavy good vehicles passing over the Pelješac Bridge, and it is much easier because those heavy good vehicles had to pass borders with Bosnia and Herzegovina. Now they don't have to pass border, and they are not losing time for border crossing.